Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach, committed to helping entrepreneurs realize their dreams, accelerate their success. Today we are diving into a subject that can be a game changer for business of all sizes and industries, ISO 9001. Now you may be wondering, why should I care about ISO 9001? It's not that just for big corporations, right? The answer is resounding no. ISO 9001 is a quality management standard that can elevate any business, and today I am going to tell you exactly how it can transform yours. Whether you are a small business owner looking to scale or large enterprises aiming for efficiency, this video will guide you through the essentials of ISO 9001, its real-world impact, and how it fits into your strategic roadmap for business success. Let's get started.
1. What is ISO 9001 and why your business needs it? ISO 9001 is an internationally recognized standard for quality management systems, QMS. Businesses around the world use this framework to ensure the quality of their products and services. The standard is designed to help organizations meet the needs of their customers and stakeholders. Moreover, obtaining an ISO 9001 certification can significantly improve your company's reputation, as it demonstrates a commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. 2. The evolution of ISO 9001, a historical overview. Since its inception, ISO 9001 has gone through several updates to adapt to changing market demands and technological advancements. The most recent version, ISO 9001 is to 2015, includes a focus on risk-based thinking and greater flexibility in documentation. Understanding the history of ISO 9001 helps businesses appreciate its evolution and prepare for future updates. 3. ISO 9001 certification process, a step-by-step guide. Achieving ISO 9001 certification involves a multi-step process that includes an initial assessment, documentation, internal audits, and finally, an external audit by a third evidence-based organization. This rigorous procedure ensures that every aspect of your business, from production to human resources, aligns with quality standards. 4. ISO 9001 versus other quality management systems, a comparative analysis. ISO 9001 is one among several quality management systems like ISO 14001 or Six Sigma. While each has its own set of advantages and methodologies, ISO 9001 is generally considered more versatile as it applies to businesses of all sizes and sectors. A comparative analysis can help you decide which system is best suited for your specific business needs. 5. Key principles of ISO 9001 quality management. ISO 9001 operates on 7 core principles including customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, improvement, evidence-based decision-making, and relationship management. Understanding these principles is essential for successful implementation and maintenance of the system. 6. Common myths and misconceptions about ISO 9001 debunked. Contrary to popular belief, ISO 9001 is not just for large corporations or manufacturing companies. It is also not a bureaucratic burden but a tool designed for continuous improvement. Clearing up these and other misconceptions can help businesses understand the real value of ISO 9001. 7. Case studies, companies transformed by ISO 9001 certification. Several companies, both large and small, have drastically improved their efficiency, customer satisfaction, and profitability through ISO 9001 certification. Industry manufacturing, tech startup, and healthcare providers. These real-world case studies serve as powerful testimonials for the impact that ISO 9001 can have on business performance. 8. How to maintain ISO 9001 compliance, best practices. Once you've achieved ISO 9001 certification, ongoing compliance is essential. This involves regular internal audits, management reviews, and continual improvement initiatives. Staying compliant not only avoids penalties but also ensures that your business reaps the long-term benefits of the quality management system. 9. ISO 9001 and its impact on sales and marketing strategies. ISO 9001 can offer significant benefits to your sales and marketing efforts. The certification enhances brand reputation, enables entry into new markets, and provides a competitive edge. Incorporating ISO 9001 into your sales and marketing strategies can result in higher customer acquisition and retention rates. 10. The future of ISO 9001, trends and predictions. As businesses continue to evolve, so too will ISO 9001. Future trends likely to impact ISO 9001 include a stronger focus on sustainability, digital transformation, and integration with other international standards. Keeping an eye on these trends will help you adapt your quality management system accordingly. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights on ISO 9001, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell.